Hi, welcome back to SG Panda. Today I'm just going to do a random video of something I did yesterday. Okay, this is the Gen 1 12-inch MacBook, I believe, which has been like more than 5 years already. They have been using pretty well, running on a 500 gig memory. Over the 5 years, the battery has already finally decided to give up already. It has not totally given up, and from full charge 100 to probably 10%, less than 3 hours, which means the battery has already meet its end already, coming to end. So I decided to change the battery, which lead to this video, which I found very interesting. The first time I saw the internal of the MacBook, 12-inch MacBook itself, right? This is the loft stand. It quite intrigued me, so I just want to share with you. I went to replace the battery, and it is an OEM battery. No point going, since it's more than 6 years already, no point going back to Apple to get a replacement. So I spent around SG $200. The new battery is already inside. I kept the old battery just to show you how the battery look like inside. It's just for random. It's a very random fun video. Okay, it comes like that. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 area. The weight itself is quite substantial. Okay, this is the original Apple battery. It's being glued to the back of the laptop. So the replacement was quite interesting. I was looking at him, so he slowly removed and then he cleaned off all the residue on the laptop body itself, the inside, and then he replaced with the new battery. He checked if the battery is working, and then he did I'm not sure in that term what is it called, you can leave a comment below. He did a reset or reboot, which allowed the laptop itself to read the new battery, and he showed me that apparently from the inside itself is a first cycle charge. So after he replaced already, he plugged in the charger to make sure that the battery is charging. It's a first cycle one. So what ended up with me today, just sharing again, is just want to show you the battery. It's quite interesting. I've always thought that the battery would be probably like one bar, one thin bar, that long one, but it came out to be this way. This is where the trackpad is. The keyboard is on top. They have some electronic components here. And I get 2 free screw. Okay. I think that's all. I just want to share, which I found it quite interesting. I'm not sure a lot of anyone. I believe not a lot of people have seen the 12-inch MacBook battery. So I just want to share this, because for me it's the first time seeing that. Okay. So those are wondering, the mouse stand. Although over 6 years, it served me pretty well. It has been my working laptop, which I carry on a day-to-day basis to work. It has been my desktop laptop, which I use this also for video editing and for my office work in terms of Word document, Excel, PowerPoint, media consumption. Okay, and how it goes, I have actually one wire here that is used to connect. You cannot see it. Connect it over, as it will transfer over. to my white screen. Okay, so this has been my workhorse for the last 5 to 6 years. First gen, I can't remember when I bought this already, but I remember it's the first generation when this came up. It doesn't, there's no more 12-inch. I intend to probably get a 13-inch MacBook Pro with the, what do you call that? The new chip, the A4 chip. Is it called the A4 chip? But I heard speculation that A4S is coming. Is it A4 chip? Chip itself. M1, sorry, not A4, M1. Sorry about my previous one, my previous message. The M1 chip. What I heard is that there's probably in coming to the end of the year, there's a M1S or the A14S chip. I'm not very familiar with all these things, but I heard. So I decided to wait for another maybe probably next year. Then I'll get a new MacBook Pro 13-inch. Okay, I think that's about all for today. Just want to show you the battery is the main thing. Bye bye.